In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a landscape video to portrait in Capcut. So it's very, very easy to do. So what we can do is go into Capcut, and you can either select a new project or have one existing. So I'm just going to hit new project, and I'm just going to choose the video. Let's see, I will choose this one here, and I will hit add. So once your project is set up, what you can do here is see it. Now I have a portrait video. Now what we can do is make sure that your video is not selected. So just click into some other area. That way it's just not selected, because you'll get some different options depending if you have something selected or not. So what you can go is go to the very bottom and scroll through until you find where it says aspect ratio. So this ratio is going to allow you to change the different aspect ratios of your video. So we can go to a YouTube ratio where it's a different ratio, so it changes the overall landscape of your actual video itself. So we can hit export from here. You can hit the check mark from here. So now it's changed into another ratio, and you can always go back and just choose the original ratio, or just choose another one like TikTok, because that's probably more of a better fit for most people. And if you want to, you can select a video and fit it better into frame if you want. So you can do that if you want to. Just click and hold, and you'll be able to maneuver it any way that you want. And that is a very simplistic way to change your video in Capcut to a landscape to a portrait, or to a portrait to a landscape. So it works both ways. And that is how you would do it. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.